A lot of times when we bring up life insurance to our clients, the first thing we hear is, well, I have coverage through work, and that's great. Any life insurance is great coverage, but there's a lot of things you have to think about if that's the only coverage that you have. If you leave your employer, can you take that policy with you? If you don't know the answer to that question, then you should check with your HR department and find out. The reason I say that is if you are, let's say, terminated from your employer, if you can't take that policy with you, you now have no life insurance. You're now going out and applying for new coverage. If you don't have a new job and new income, that could make you ineligible. If you left for medical reasons and you can't take that policy with you, and now you can't go out and apply for a new policy because your pre-existing conditions prevent you from getting new coverage. There's a lot of things to think about. So having life insurance through work is, in my opinion, a starting point, but it's not the ultimate solution either. Another thing to consider with life insurance through work is it's usually maybe 2 to 3 times your salary. Well, is that enough? Is that enough coverage? If you were to die tomorrow and your spouse received 2 to 3 times your salary, is that going to help him or her with the mortgage, with the children, with childcare? Is your spouse or significant other a stay-at-home parent? That's something to consider too. You need to replace your income maybe longer than 2 to 3 years. So again, having coverage through work is great. We love when we hear that because any coverage is better than no coverage, but it's still a great opportunity to sit down with us as your agent, talk about what you have, talk about what that means, and if anything, maybe we look to supplement it.